back to my channel. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE stands as one of the most refined luxury SUVs of its generation. And the moment it comes into view, you understand why. Starting from the front, the redesigned bumper introduces a sharper, more sculpted look that blends seamlessly with the larger digital grille. The LED digital light headlamps are slimmer, brighter, and more adaptive than before, giving the GLE a confident, futuristic presence. As you walk around the right side of the SUV, the aerodynamic body lines show how Mercedes has balanced muscle with elegance. The flared wheel arches house the new alloy wheel designs, while the side mirrors are sleeker and equipped with advanced blind spot sensors. From the rear bumper angle, the 2026 GLE features a wider, more athletic stance. The redesigned LED taillights stretch deeper into the tailgate, and the chrome-trimmed exhaust outlets give the SUV a sporty finish. The left side view highlights its strong shoulder line and its elevated ground clearance, which make it equally at home on highways and rougher terrains. Even from a full left or right view, the SUV's proportions feel perfectly balanced, big enough to express luxury, yet streamlined enough to look modern and dynamic. Stepping inside, the interior immediately feels like a luxury lounge mixed with a tech hub. The large dual 12.8-inch and 12.3-inch digital displays dominate the cabin. Running Mercedes' MBUX system with new AI-driven voice controls, the ambient lighting wraps smoothly around the dashboard and doors, offering dozens of customizable colors. Soft-touch materials, genuine wood, metal accents, and refined stitching bring a premium feel to every corner. The seats are redesigned with improved cushioning, heating, cooling, and optional massage functions. Even the second row feels ventilated, spacious, and extremely comfortable, with optional third-row seating for added flexibility. Under the hood, the 2026 GLE introduces a more efficient engine lineup. The base models come with a turbocharged 4-cylinder mild hybrid system for smooth acceleration and better fuel economy, while the higher-end trims offer a turbocharged 6-cylinder with EQ boost technology delivering extra torque when needed. The response is quick, the ride comfort is exceptional, and the 9-speed automatic transmission shifts effortlessly. Whether you're in normal, sport, or off-road mode, the suspension adapts instantly thanks to the improved aerodynamics system, offering one of the smoothest driving experiences in its class. Safety has been stepped up with advanced driver assist features, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, traffic sign recognition, and automatic emergency braking. The new 360-degree camera offers a crystal clear view from every angle, making tight parking spaces easier than ever. Mercedes has also improved cabin quietness with enhanced insulation and better sound-absorbing materials, letting passengers enjoy the premium Burmester 3D sound system in absolute serenity. What makes the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE stand out is how effortlessly it combines luxury, technology, performance, and comfort into a single package. It feels powerful without being aggressive, premium without being intimidating, and high-tech without feeling complicated. It's built for drivers who want elegance and capability, and for families who want safety and comfort on every journey.